Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're at the Westin Singapore, located in the Marina Bay area atop Asia Square Tower 2. The Westin belongs to the Marriott group of hotels. Today we're here to check out their 40 square meter deluxe room. The room features either a king-sized bed or two double beds, seen here. A double bed is larger than the twin beds typically found in most hotels in Singapore. The beds have signature heavenly bed mattresses. Moving on, there is a suede armchair in the corner of the room, next to large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that offer a bird's-eye view of Chinatown in the distance. There are two complimentary bottles of water as well as a minibar with a selection of teas and coffee. Next to the minibar is a comfortably sized 43-inch LCD TV. And finally, there is a large glass-topped work desk. Moving on to arguably the highlight of the room, the bathroom. It features a luxurious freestanding bathtub next to a bank of large windows that bathes the room in natural light. Imagine soaking in the tub and watching the city, world, and time fly by. The bathroom also features a single vanity and separate enclosed shower and WC. The enclosed shower includes a shower wand and rain shower head. Bath amenities are Heavenly Spa branded products. Just outside the bathroom, there is a large wardrobe offering plenty of storage. The Westin features a large spacious gym with plenty of bikes and treadmills. The treadmills have an amazing view of Sentosa Cove. Next to the gym is the Heavenly Spa by Westin, which is complimentary for guests' use. Aside from the bath and locker facilities, the spa includes a jacuzzi as well as a steam room. Last but not least, the rooftop infinity pool, offering a panoramic view of the Marina Bay Financial District and pocket views of Marina Bay, the sea, and Sentosa Cove. Take a dip in the morning and watch as the cruise ships dock. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough. See you in the next one.